write both statements need to be true.
Yeah.
For the result to be true.
Okay, both statements need to be true. See, yesterday's paper also on which you wrote, na. If you can
Hmm.
scan it and send it to me, no, that will be a great help
Yeah, yeah.
because you've written
Yeah,
it
yeah.
neatly and I've written like rubbish, which I can't even read.
No worries. I'll share today and yesterday's
Thanks,
paper
thanks.
with you.
Yeah. So for what you said, if both the statements are true,
Both statements need to be true
yeah,
for the result to be true.
for the result or outcome to be true.
Correct.
Okay.
And for disjunction, you write only one statement needs to be true
Okay.
for the result to be true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are clear with conjunction disjunction, right?
Yeah.
So
An
now we
example
can move.
example also I would like to give, yeah.
Okay, example you want.
Yeah, I mean, shouldn't we give an example of what we are talking about, which statement and all? Like,
Yeah,
can we relate it to the truth table? Can we relate it to the truth table? Conjunction and
yeah, we
disjunction?
can, we can. Or you can also include those statements that I gave you as an example.
Yeah, but also the truth table. I mean,
Yeah,
how
truth table.
conjunction relates to the truth table?
If you directly write
Yeah,
the truth table,
yeah.
it itself explains that this is conjunction and this is
Then
disjunction.
then could you write the truth table there just to show conjunction and
Sure,
disjunction? Thanks, thanks.
sure.
That will totally help.
So first we'll go with the cases.
Yeah,
Okay. So now first I'm doing for conjunction.
yeah,
Now according to our statement,
yeah,
both the statement has to be true. So first test case will automatically be false
yeah,
because true false. Both
yeah.
are not true.
Yeah, both have to be true. So second test case,
Second,
both
again it's
it's true.
false.
Correct, correct. And the
False
third
true.
third is true, and the fourth is false.
Correct.
So only third is true. So
Correct.
both the so then you can give that as an example of conjunction. Okay.
Correct.
Excellent.
Correct. You
Excellent.
can also write a statement that
Yeah.
you have a statement P, you have a statement Q.
Okay.
And for P, you can write anything like I am a woman.
Okay.
Because conjunction is like a word that they have given for and. It's not a different thing.
Got it. Now, if you
And
give
then
it,
you can
yeah, the example, if you write it like this, then it perfectly explains the definition.
correct.
Yeah.
And then you can just write
Yeah.
that here
Yeah.
P and Q
Yeah.
are true.
But this the associative law for conjunction?
No, it's different. This is just
This is
conjunction and
just
disjunction.
conjunction. Excellent. Okay, got it. Yeah.
So then you can just write here P and Q are true.
Yeah.
Hence,
Hey, what about your
it is
work?
a
When do you have to
conjunction.
join work again?
I'll resume at around 4:30.
Okay, great, great. So we
We
have time.
started. We started at 3:15, right?
Yeah, I mean, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can do till 4:15 or
Okay.
4:20 or whatever, and then I'll resume.
Okay, 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 fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is how you'll do it for
yeah,
conjunction ka example.
yeah,
Then we'll go for disjunction.
yeah.
So these are the test cases. Now, disjunction is telling that only one statement needs to be true
Yeah.
for the result to be true.
Yes.
So if you see this,
Yeah.
true, false, we have one true already with us.
Yeah.
So we can say the outcome is true.
Okay, only one statement is true, therefore it is true. Then
Correct.
false and true, it's true. Then true and
Correct.
true, it's true. And false and false, it's
Correct.
false. Okay.
Correct.
This is disjunction, and then you
Correct.
can also give an example of the two statements P and Q.
Correct. So
Okay.
here we can say it is raining.
Yeah. So this is conjunction and disjunction, and now we have to go to the associative law.
Correct. And then we can say it is not raining. Then we can say only one of the either can be true here.
Yeah.
So here P and Q,
Yeah.
sorry, not P and Q. Here
Yeah.
only one
Yeah.
case
Mm.
is true.
Yeah.
Hence it is a disjunction.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you are clear with conjunction and disjunction,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So now we move to associative law for conjunction, which was your question.
Yes. Which is the question in the question bank as well.
Correct.
Yeah.
Associative law
Yeah.
for conjunction. And now you note down the exact definition.
Okay. I'll write it down just for
Yeah.
practice. Yeah.
So the associative law for conjunction
Just write it down. Yeah. 1 minute. Associative law for conjunction
states that
states that
in a logical expression
in a logical expression
involving
involving
the conjunction,
the conjunction
then put a round bracket and write
and write and.
comma, denoted by.
Oh, I put the symbol of and. Okay.
Yeah,
And.
no worries.
Okay.
I was
Okay. And.
writing the symbol only.
Yeah. Denoted by. Okay. Denoted by inverted V.
Then close the bracket
Yeah.
and write the grouping
The grouping
of the operands.
of the
Operands.
operand. Whatever I do. First time I'm hearing it. The operands. What is that?
Operands are nothing but the operators involved while solving the logic.
Operators
So
involved,
suppose
like the cooks who make the soup.
correct. So we have operators. Operators are nothing but these symbols and or. So
Oh,
operands
the
are,
operators are the symbols. I thought operators are the computer operators. Okay.
yeah, computer
No,
operators are
no,
also
no,
there.
no. I
But
mean,
in this
I thought
case,
human beings.
yeah,
Okay. They are the symbols, huh? Operands are the
of the
symbols.
operand, yeah,
Okay.
does not affect the result.
Operands does not affect the result.
But
I didn't understand this, huh?
no worries.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you write,
Yeah.
okay, I think this is it. We can write a equation then.
Okay.
So I'll just read out what we have just written.
Yeah.
Associative law for conjunction states
Yeah.
that in a logical expression
Yeah.
involving the conjunction is and, the grouping of the operands does not affect the result. Grouping of the operand, that is something which we'll understand so that we can understand this law. So first I'll give you a very basic example.
Yeah.
PQR. Now for P, I am writing I have a pen.
Yeah.
Q, I am writing I have a notebook.
Yeah.
And R, I am writing I have a ruler.
Yeah.
Okay, now these are the three test cases.
I have a
Okay,
pen. I have a.
notebook, I
Okay.
have a ruler.
Got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
now I have to convert or I have to group them.
Yeah.
Now I want to group them.
Yeah.
I can use and or conjunction here
Yeah.
because all these statements are true. Matlab
Yeah.
I have all of them, right?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have this, I have this, I have this.
Yeah.
So I am grouping this. So first I'll say P and Q
Yeah.
and R.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So P and Q and R.
Hmm.
And I have a group here.
Yeah.
for P and Q.
Mm.
What is the meaning of this? That you have all the three things with you.
Yeah.
Pen, notebook, and ruler.
Yeah.
Now what I'll do,
Mm.
I will group
Mm.
Q and R. I am just shifting the position of my round bracket, nothing else.
P and
Q and
Q
R.
and R. Okay, so that's another group. Just grouping it
Correct.
differently.
Correct.
Yeah.
So now tell me,
Yeah.
what will be the difference?
No difference.
It's
No difference. All the
no
same.
difference.
Yeah.
Yes. I am just changing the groups,
Yeah.
but the meaning or the outcome is same.
Yeah. Outcome will be the same.
Correct?
Yeah.
So
Outcome is
this is
same.
what is called as
Yeah.
grouping of the operands does not affect the result.
Okay. Operands means what?
These are the operands, right? P, Q,
Ah, P and
and
Q are the operands. Okay.
is the operator, and is something
P and
which we
Q.
are.
No. Operand means I'll tell you what. Operand is something that the operator is operating on. It is the object. Operand is not the operator. I'm the operator. Say you are the operator. You're operating on this pen and this. So these are the
Correct.
things that we are operating on. Operand. I think, huh?
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So here our operator is and, right?
Yeah.
We are using this and. So this is our operator.
Which is
P
a
and Q are something which is operating on this and. These are the test cases that are
P and
operating.
Q are the operands, no?
Operands, correct.
Yeah.
So P and Q are operating or operands
Yeah.
for this operator and.
Okay. Operator is
So
and,
that's
yeah?
why,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why the grouping of the operands
Yeah.
does not affect the result.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we'll also see the equation that your question bank is
So the
having.
associative law is what is the associative law? So what does the associative law mean of conjunction?
That the grouping of the operands.
No. Before that also you have mentioned, no. Like the associative law is not only that the grouping of the operands does not affect the result, but it also states that in a logical
This is for conjunction.
that is the associative law. Okay, got it.
Correct.
I understood.
First two sentences are
First two
just
sentences are
telling that
just
this
set,
is for
yeah,
conjunction.
yeah, setting the stage for
But
the law, yeah.
but the main law is this
The
only,
main law
that
is
you
this
can
only.
group
Got it.
them
Yeah,
anywhere.
thanks, I got it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, now we'll see the
Yeah.
statement or the equation that is there in your solution.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are taking your equation. I'll just write the equation that is there as part of the solution.
Oh, that's you mean part of the definition, yeah? Explanation for the definition.
No,
It's another question.
in that handwritten notes now, which equation is given for associative law,
Correct.
but they don't have definition. So definition you can write what
Definition
we
is this,
have
and
just written.
you're just combining that with that, combining that with the handwritten notes, yeah. But this is this is
And then
P or Q you have written.
yeah, they have written it P, Q, and R.
But it is
We
or,
have
na?
also written P, Q, R
The
only.
symbol is or, whereas conjunction is and. The symbol that is put is inverted V, na?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah,
No problem.
very well pointed out.
No,
Yeah.
I can't even imagine you making a mistake. I'm taking it as the gospel truth, you know what you're saying. I thought in the
It's
handwritten
good
notes they
that
have written some rubbish, and why are you writing that back
no,
again, you know?
So actually, I just wrote it for this thing.
Yeah.
Upar wala equation I wrote.
Okay.
That was there in your solution.
Yeah. You copied it from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is also from that note only.
Yeah.
This equation for conjunction.
They have just written P, Q, and R without explaining what is P, Q, and R. Excellent. No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we'll see this explanation also.
Yeah.
So this is
Now
okay,
I understood
so
the equation. Except that
this
the P,
is
Q, and R,
something-
which you have written are capital letters, and the P, Q, R in the equation are small letters. So we can just make it small letters in the explanation also.
Yeah. So this is something which we'll write
Yeah,
as a part of definition,
yeah. So
and
now it
this
is
is
complete,
there
and
in your
and the
solution.
answer looks good.
And this is your solution given.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So now we'll understand this equation.
correct. No,
PQR.
I understood it already. It's grouped
Yeah,
differently.
it's
It's
just
grouped
grouping.
differently.
It's
Yeah,
just grouping.
yeah.
Hmm.
But you explain. You explain once. I would love to hear it. Yeah,
So
yeah,
we are basically first applying
yeah,
and statement to our groups.
yeah.
Okay. And we are just giving a group to P and Q first.
Acha, you made still another group? No, no, it's the same.
No, same thing.
You just rewrote it.
This is just a solution that I'm explaining that how we have derived to this.
Right, right.
So I first wrote that P and Q and R,
Yeah,
if this was the conjunction applied
yeah,
for PQR,
yeah,
then I made a group of P and Q.
yeah,
Then we will say this is equal to.
yeah. Why did you put 3 equal to signs? Why not 2?
So, so in case of logic,
Yeah,
equal or equivalence sign
yeah.
is like this. Three
Equivalent. Correct, got it.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In school, we
So
used to,
then
you know
we'll
how we
say
used to
that
write equivalent in school? We used to write the equal to sign, and on top we used to put like a curved thing.
negation. Yeah, I know.
Is it negation? I don't know. Just a curve like
It's
this.
not negation, it's a symbol of negation.
Is it the symbol of negation? Just show me
We
the.
used to
Could,
write
yeah, could you
we
just
used
write
to
the symbol
write
of
like
negation?
this now.
Yeah. Yes. So that is the symbol of negation. That whatever.
No. This upar wala is negation ka symbol, na?
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I forgot. I
How can you
forgot.
forget?
I forgot. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm
I
sorry. I forgot.
explained you
I'm
yesterday.
sorry. I forgot.
This is negation.
Yeah.
This is complement, one hyphen.
Acha, I don't know that. Could you just write against it negation and complement? I didn't know. I didn't know that was complement symbol. I mean, I could totally forgot.
This is negation.
Yeah.
This is complement. Just one hyphen.
Apostrophe, you mean? Apostrophe.
Sorry,
No problem, no
apostrophe.
problem. That I now I remember. Now I remember. Acha, because this compliment I remember. Acha, now I want to ask you this. So in school, why used to write equivalent like that? The equal to sign on top negation symbol. Why used to write it like that?
Because they are same only, no?
Now we are putting 3 lines, no?
Yeah, because we have a different author right now.
But it's the same. You mean? Actually, it's the same.
Yeah, it's
But
same.
why would we put the negation
See,
symbol for?
this
Yeah.
this was just used to write similarity. Like this is somewhat similar or
Yeah, it's similar. It
equivalent.
is not equal, but it is similar. Correct. Huh.
Because we were referring to logics at that time.
Yeah.
So they had derived this for a symbol to be put in cases of logics.
Right.
Then so it's like a or thing. Either use this, either use this. But we'll use this only because
Okay.
this is what is there in
Okay.
our
Great.
module.
I got it now. Yeah. Now I got it. Yeah.
Okay, so where were we? So this is one grouping that I did for
Yeah.
P and Q.
Yeah.
Now I'll say that this will be equal to.
It is equivalent to, no? Should we say equivalent to or should we say equal to?
You can say anything.
Okay.
We usually say equal to.
Yeah, then why they want to put it's equivalent to? Why can't they just write it's equal to?
It's just a differentiation factor.
Yeah.
This is not an equation.
Okay.
This is related to logics.
Got it. I understood. Yeah. It is not an equation.
So
yeah.
We'll say this will be equal to.
Yeah.
Now this is a conjunction applied again to PQR.
Yeah.
And we'll say that we are just changing the group.
Yeah.
But nothing is going to change in terms of outcome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one example or maybe an equation of logic with the definition.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is your associative law for conjunction.
Yeah.
Next we have disjunction, right?
Yeah. We have an associative law for disjunction, you mean, no?
Hmm.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll write the formula first. Associative law. So you know disjunction also, right?
You
It's
told me,
or.
no? You told me now.
Yeah.
It is or.
So correct.
Yeah.
So now just write the definition of associative law
Yeah.
or disjunction. Or states that the grouping.
You feel in this part, semester 3, Cambodia, everything is given like this, like how you're explaining?
The solution would be just like this only. Definition may vary. मतलब definition, since I'm not referring Kumbhojka definition right now,
Kumbhojkar,
right?
sorry, yeah.
So definitions will be different, but the solutions of the problems will be same.
Okay.
Yeah. Because definitions, I'm referring to Google right now.
Correct,
I'm not
correct.
referring to
You're just trying
Kumbhojkar.
to explain it to me. Yeah.
Yeah, but the everything like the meaning or the problems that we are doing right now, they'll be similar because no one can change solution, right? Grouping of disjunction does not affect
Yeah.
the result.
Yeah. Grouping of
So
disjunction does not affect the result, huh? It's the same.
correct. Malab, here what we are trying to tell is
Yeah.
that if we have or statement
Yeah. I could.
and in
Could you
in
just read that again? I didn't even write it down.
you want to write it down? Should I
I'll just write it down
tell
once.
it again?
I'll just write it down quickly. Associative in my dirty handwriting, so I can write
Associative
very
law for
quickly.
disjunction.
Yeah, associative law for disjunction.
Bracket में put or.
Bracket में put or. Inverted
that-
V, no? Inverted V.
Yeah, anything. You can write a symbol. You can write just
I can write or in capitals. Yeah.
States that
States that
the grouping of disjunction
the grouping of disjunction. Okay.
does not affect the result.
Does not affect the result. Yeah, but in that conjunction you're written in a different way. Let me just have a look.
It was written that the operand
Yeah.
grouping of operands does not affect the result. But you can also write conjunction
You're
also.
written in a
Like
logical.
both means-
You're written in a logical expression. In a logical expression involving the involving conjunction denoted by this. The grouping of the operands you're written. So here why you wrote
Correct.
grouping of disjunction.
because Google is telling me this expression.
Okay.
But the meaning is same.
Okay.
Like you can
I can write operands.
either.
I can write operands.
Yeah, you can also write that associative law for disjunction
Yeah.
states that in a logical expression involving the disjunction, then the symbol of disjunction denoted by
Yeah.
V,
Yeah.
the grouping of the operands does not affect the result.
Yeah, I
Both
think
are same.
that
like,
makes more
meaning is
sense to
same.
me. Yeah. Because
Then you will go for example.
Yeah.
So here again we'll say that we have P, Q, and R.
Yeah.
Or let's just put your. I'll just write that equation which is given as part of your solution.
Okay.
So this was given in your
In that images, no?
solution.
Yes, in the solution, handwritten.
So I'll just explain this.
Yeah.
So here we are talking about disjunction. Disjunction is or.
Can
we will.
Yeah, P. No. Can you give those statements like you gave for conjunction, no? I am a woman, I live in India, something like that. No, I have a pen, I have a ruler, I have a notebook.
Yeah, I'll give that.
Yeah,
We first let us
yeah.
do this thing.
Okay, okay. You know, I think there's a
So
lot
I'll
of
put.
pollution where you are, no, in that terrace
Hmm,
balcony, no? There's a lot of pollution.
hmm.
That's why maybe you have this cold. A lot of dust coming
No,
in, pollution.
yeah, I'm having this since I think 1 week.
Yeah,
Like earlier I did not have,
yeah.
but now I'm facing a lot of issues.
I think you need to go for a jog, not in Vasant Nagari and all, but in Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Because this is all polluted. See, when I walked from that Eveshine gate to that this thing, no, Broadway, I got a cold after that because the traffic of fumes, na.
Hmm,
I was inhaling everything. So
hmm.
never go for a walk on around our area. It's too polluted.
Yeah,
Like
I
Delhi,
think
it is.
entire Mumbai is polluted.
Yeah, but this area is very. Yeah, you're right. Huh. Could you tell me? Yeah,
So I have applied disjunction for
yeah,
PQR
yeah.
or
Right.
now what I'll do is
Yeah,
I'll put a group for PNQ first.
yeah,
Then I'll say that this will be equivalent or equal
yeah,
to, then again I'll put a or statement and I'll
yeah.
say this, and this time I'll group Q and R.
I understood, Baba. I understood that very well. I just want you to write
Okay?
P, Q, and R, like how you made a statement, no?
Yeah, yeah. I'll just do that. So, so this is your solution that
Yeah.
you will write,
Yes.
and these are the statements now that I'll give you.
Can't you write small p and small q so that it is similar to the statement,
Yeah, yeah, we can
so
do
that
that.
it is tallies with it, you know? Otherwise, this is different and that is different.
P, Q, and
Yeah.
R.
So the
Okay.
operands have the same symbols.
Hmm, correct.
Hmm.
So now for P, I'll write
Hmm.
I have a house. I have a car. I have
I have a house. I
a
have a car. Very good.
phone.
I have a phone. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here I'll say that if I group I have a house, I have to basically group here again. So I'll say I have a house.
No, no. Before that, this is or, na. So it is not conjunction. It is disjunction. So what is the disjunctive part in this? Like, what is the difference between and or here?
So that I'll tell you.
Yeah,
I'll
P
just
or
write
Q.
this.
Yeah,
I have a house. I'll group these two
yeah.
and I'll do a disjunction for these two.
Okay.
I have a house
Yeah.
or I have a car.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah,
So here what I said, like
yeah,
what is the meaning that I either have a house or I either have a car.
yeah,
So this is group one.
yeah.
Now I'm doing a group two.
No, and then you have to also write or and the last statement. Or I have a or I have a phone.
Or I have a phone.
Yeah,
This is not part of the group, okay?
yeah,
But now I'm grouping car and phone.
yeah. So you're going to write I have a house or
Or I
have
have a
car or I have a phone. So even if you group it differently, it's the same. The meaning is the same.
yeah. So in first also you are saying that you either have this
Yeah,
or you have this.
correct.
Here also you are saying you either have this
Yeah,
or you have this. Matlab, in all these scenarios you are having any one thing with you or.
yeah.
So yeah, this is just to tell that the group, I don't know
The
why they have complicated this, but it's just a very simple thing that grouping is not affecting anything.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, this is the like they have explained it simply so that in bigger things also in logic in computers we understand that it will not change.
Maybe in complex logical
Right,
statements,
right.
we'll be able to
Understand
solve it in
what
a
is the
simple
basic
way.
logic, what is the underlying logic.
Correct,
That is
correct.
even in disjunction the meaning doesn't change. Because see, I had asked you to write an example, no? Because I felt, array in disjunction the meaning might change, you know, like. So when
It's
you wrote,
just and or.
yeah, when you wrote it down, I realized, array, yeah, you're right. The meaning doesn't change. It
Correct.
is like you have only one of any of this, one of the three.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
I got it. I got it. Now it's 4:20, isn't it? 4:20. Isn't it time for you to go? It's time for you to
Yeah,
go.
just
I just want you to make a scan of the pages, yesterday's and today's, and send it to
sure.
me. You'll
So
send it.
I'll send this to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have the distributive law of disjunction over conjunction, and then we have idempotent law, and we have law of identity, and we have distributive law and distributive law. So all that we can do later. Yeah.
Sure, sure. So, okay. I'll be available on Saturday now.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll not be there.
Right.
Uh,